Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Decagon Math. In today's video, we will be solving a problem on exact equations. This is problem 3. So I've made two videos which I did problem 1 and problem 2, and I've also given the basic knowledge, the basic foundation of what exact equations are, how to determine the condition that must be satisfied for an equation to be exact. So before watching this video, if you haven't watched that, please, I will leave the description, the link to in the description of this video, so that you can go back and have full understanding, so that you will be able to flow better with the concepts that we'll be explaining here. Now the question says that find the constant A such that the equation is exact. This given equation is exact. So what I'm going to do is, let's write out our M and N. Alright, so we have that according to this equation, our N is equal to 2 in bracket x squared plus 3xy dx. Sorry, not dx, not go outside that. So I've told us that our N is always with dx and our N is always with dy, right? So our N will be 2a x squared plus 8y. 8y. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to find the partial derivative of m with respect to y. That means we write 2x squared plus 3xy, right, with respect to y. Alright, now we can write this as, when we expand this bracket, we have 2x squared plus 6xy, then with respect to y. Alright, we can also write this. Now when we split it, we have the partial derivative of just 2x squared with respect to y plus the derivative of 6xy with respect to y. Now I'm going to say this again. We know that once we are finding the partial derivative with respect to y, that means anything that has to do with x will be taken as constant, right? That means x squared is a constant, and obviously 2 is a constant. So we can write it like this: 2x squared, the partial derivative, 1 is what is left here, right? With respect to y, plus, also here 6x will be taken as constant. So you can write this, then we have just y left here. This is for y. Alright, so moving on. Now when we differentiate 1, which is a constant, when we differentiate 1 with respect to y, 1 is a constant, definitely it becomes 0. So that means everything we have here becomes 0. By the time this becomes 0 and multiply this, it becomes 0, right? So that means this term is gone. And then let's differentiate this. When we differentiate y, we have 1, right? So that means 6x times 1. That means the partial derivative of m with respect to y will just give us, will give us 6x. So let's take note of that. Now let's find the partial derivative of n with respect to x, which can be written as the partial derivative of 2a x squared plus 8y with respect to x. Again, this can be written as the partial derivative of 2a x squared with respect to x plus the partial derivative of 8y with respect to x. Now, since we are differentiating partially with respect to x, that means everything that has to do with y will be taken as constant, right? Now, there is no y here, but you know that 2a are constant, right? So we have 2a comes out, and we have x squared with respect to x plus, now 8y will come out because they are constant, right? With respect to x. 8 and y will be considered as constant, so that's why I brought them out. Alright, next thing to do is, now when we differentiate, x squared becomes 2x. So we have 2a multiplied by 2x plus Now, when we differentiate 1 with respect to x, it becomes 0, right? So that means this term is gone. So you don't even need to write it again. So the partial derivative of n with respect to x here is equals to 4ax, right? Now, we have found the partial derivative of m with respect to x and also n with respect to x. So now, the condition for exactness is that the partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So this implies that what we obtain here, that is 6x. That means 6x is equal to 4ax. So when we add this, okay, let me use of this space. Alright. Now if 6x equals to 4ax, then that means x we cancel out x, right? Then we have 6 equals to 4a. Then from here, you know that a equals to 6 over 4. That means a is equals to 3 over 2. Now we have solved the problem given. We have to find the constant a, and the value of the constant a is 3 over 2. Thank you for staying through. We have come to the end of this video. If you know you like what you have seen, subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.